Let's take a look at the light NCP antenna bracket for the 2008-2017 Freightliner Cascadia. This bracket is for a single stud pedestal light in the CP antenna. It's made of 304 highly polished stainless steel. It's very solid. Let's check, we're gonna check the weight quick. $496 grams, or wait a minute, a pound and a half, 1.5 pounds. We're also checking the measurements as usual. I'm trying to get the inches too, but you know I'm a metric guy. It's roughly 15 centimeter, or I would say 5 3/4 inches. The width is 9 centimeter and 3.5 inches. The mounting holes, I don't know if you can see it correctly. Center to center 13.5 centimeter, or yeah, now we get to the inches again, 5.5, roughly 5.5 inches. That's a little bit difficult, so I don't know if you can see it. This stands for, this hole is 12.5 centimeter or 5 inches. That's the mounting bracket for passenger, or not, this is for passenger, but it's also for the driver side available. I put the links down below in the description box.